See, I dey pity most guys when they Germany. You wey fresh, you wey just find finish. You be young guy, you no old, they don't swear for you. They go just, because of say man, no paper, nothing, you just go find one old white person. Or one old cargo, because even though the woman fit get 3 children, 5 children with different papa, you just still go chook your hair, put kwanka because you dey find paper. Because you no want stay where they for the hustle. Because Italy na one place where you go come, you go hustle, you fit see 1 or 2 things like self-employment they do for there. But you say no, you go run go, you enter train, piam, I want enter Germany. You go there inside one room, they don't even need you, they don't even want to. They say you go back to where you come from. You go stay inside one for like 7 to 8 years. You go they run up and down. Most people will never go Germany. If you go Germany, you will see most guys. People go stay inside one room 8 years, 20 years. They not go granted, they not go even want it. They go say they must go back, they must go back. Those people they go they run up and down for Germany, say me as if not their country. Now even they disgrace most of Nigerian people when they this country. You now you see say okay, this woman he get like 3 children with different papa. He get those white people, they don't already go the fashion, the one when it don't come out for fashion. Now then, as in them, there are people don't reject them. We now Nigeria, yes, we define paper and we define everything now. Una go give them belly and say okay, no, make them born for now. Now one settle down with them. Now they will come do the marriage, do everything. See una life. Now life una dey so. Una people dey Africa. They feel say okay, yes, una dey try. Una dey Europe. They don't know say you dey find woman when you don't born. You dey find woman when you get belly. You don't know say you dey find woman when you don't already finish. No level, no get second hand value. Now you dey find for the journey. When you want to settle down. They don't know, but they feel say you don't dey abroad, you dey Europe. You know what come, they don't need you. Country where they don't need person. You go come up for them, you still get the neighboring country where you go come. Where they for feel say, okay, right now, yes, may you come here, may you for, as the way you go feel make self-employment, take care of yourself. You say no, you not go gree come. You go say now that Jamie, now you go stay. Jamie, they don't need you. They don't even want you. They don't want me you stay. The end of the day, now you can't go to find old woman when you don't really like 80-something years. You won't be 22 years. You can't define 80-something years. Why? Because you define paper. If you come Italy, you can't start life. They hustle small things, start your life. You go feel they process your paper with that small money when you see. You will feel make self-employment by yourself. Then life goes sweet to you. Say no. You go define old cargo for Germany. Person they talk. You go see they from Germany they talk. You be man. Real men are the day Italy. Real men are the day that most of real men still there Germany, but it's not as worst as those ones where they find old woman. Old mom, old mama, old people now not just they find. Guys when it's fresh, you not old. They not swear for you. They not need you. You go come out for the country. You go come another neighboring country. Hustle. Look for something. You go get them. You go start your whole life. You say no. Now go say no. Now they find person. Now they find old women. The ones when get their life for Germany, now go define them. The ones when don't already born get 20 children, now go define them. The ones when not even get work, not get anything, now go define them. Why? Because now want quickly crush your hair for them. Germany now one place where they not put the new person. If they say no, no is no. Even if you get there, they gallivant, you are just wasting your time for no reason. Most of our people now will never go there. If you don't go Germany, you will know what they talk. I think they talk this thing and I think they feel say okay, maybe now I just carry the talk. If you don't go Germany, you go know what guys, how guys take go. Guys go just bath in the morning. They go just wake up. Most of our Nigerian guys, they go just wake up, bath. They go just find finish. They go just wear jeans when that lady buy for them. They go just wear one jeans when that old Oyibo buy for them. Because you no get option. You don't turn your hope to hopeless, no hope again. You don't turn your life to lifeless, no life again. You don't turn your destiny to existence. You not get destiny again. You don't turn your way to no direction again. You don't turn your life to gallivanting for country where it not belongs to you, country where it not be your own. Now so you want to live life, people they has. Then they expect okay, you will come out for a good thing. They don't know say man, now zero niente. You not get what you go feel present. Okay, they don't pursue you for like more than 4 years. You they run up and down. You they run for deportation. You they run for okay, they don't accept you. Those ones when they accept, now they accept, they give them paper. They say okay, all those ones they work. But you when they don't accept, why you don't want to come to neighboring country? You they do favor, they say one day they go accept me, one day they go accept me. When I go France of recent that day, now I see one man. I see one man say, this man say don't spend like 22 years for Germany. Now I go, okay, why they not come give you paper? He said they don't tell you no is no. They don't get one day when they go tire. Say okay, may they go, may they just still consider you say okay, as far you don't pay, may they come give you. No. that man don old. He spent 22 years in Germany. They tell am no is no. He try. He see say go no come. For 20 good 2 years, he old put. Now they flush and come. Now he quickly run with his head, run enter France. Why? Because if they tell you no, it's no. Now Germany you go see guys and guy. You never, if you don't go Germany, you go know wetin they talk. If you enter Germany guy, now you go see some guys and they go there inside one room. Alpha, bros, since when you take there here? They go there one small foam or all those camp foam. They'll say, bros, since when you take, you go say since 7, 8 years now, they say, may you go back to Italy, may you go back to so place. He don't know what he want to do now. And he now they run up and down, may they not deport them. That deport, if they don't deport you, I go clear. You don't want to come the next country. You don't want to come another, you don't want to go the nearest country where you go feel hustle with hand God will give you. You dey find one old woman, one old cargo. You dey find Oyibo when you not get second-hand value. When there are people reject, they don't select come up. They don't say, okay, all those one are the one where they go throw away. You now, you as a Nigerian person now there you for they say you smart, you wise. Now so I did Jamie one day, one person call, where me and my guy for stand. One person don't call and he say, Alpha, hey, my brother, you get one woman when he just tell me, so okay, Alpha. You tell me, get one woman, the woman get 2 children with different papa. He say whether I go fit settle down with her. Now me come say, Alpha, woman when get 3 children with different papa. Now you they get hope for. Now me come say, now so now they do it for you say, now so you take the exist, now so we take the play and as a guy. I say, what you there as a guy when you they follow woman when you don't born, when you don't born tired, when they find you as at your age now like at least just 22 years. This woman are like 50 something years. What you want, which feeling? How you want to stay? How you want to sleep? How you want to rest with that kind of person? He said, "Na normal life when we dey live for you." I say, my brother, people when die go past most guys when they Germany. What you they do? Okay, they reject you. They don't need you. Come up for there. Come go find your life. You go see life. You say no. You want stay Germany all your life. You don't stay Germany. You dey there. If person talk, una go say person talk. You know they wear reasonable thing. You know they live reasonable life. You know they act reasonable act because you don't want to walk with the hand God give you. You see how lazy you are. People feel say you dey Germany, you dey live good life. Most of them still good, then they work. Who they give am paper, they go say make they work. They go they work. But you when not get paper, you not get anything. You go say you don't want to come back to Italy. No, you don't want to come back to any other place. No, one day they go answer you. They know they answer you. They know they mind you. They don't even want to look your face. They don't want to even see you for face because if they see you now flush, you go reach where you're not supposed to reach. But you don't want to come up for there. For good 8 years, 7 years, 20 years, 12 years, you go there one country, they don't need you. They say, go back. Then they find you up and down. They know they see you. You they run up and down. If you dey inside, you go they fear. If you dey outside, you go they fear. If you dey inside, you go they fear. But you say you don't want to come up for the place because you get some women. When they tell you, they don't give them. They say, okay, Mona go there, go born. You get them, you they expect them. Now so you can't be like expectation of women. When they expect women when don't born, they expect women when get belly, they expect the one when if that one don't born finish, I'll just take over. If this one don't born finish, I'll just take over. See your life, see how useless you are. Now life is this so. You know, go find your life. Your age now when it's fresh like this, you want to use a marry old woman put for house. Your age when it's fresh like this, now you want to use a marry old Oyibo when they don't reject. Your age when it's fresh like this, now you go marry them finish, they'll call the use you like rag for inside room. You don't want to come hustle. You want to stay that place. You just fine. You go just wear GC the money, comb your hair, dread your hair. Yes, life sweet. Continue more they go. You they expect you become another body to yourself. A problem to yourself, a problem to your family, a problem to association, a problem to people when they even did this country. Our Nigerian people when they here. How you go they marry old woman when don't reach 80 something years? You go they happy, say you go they share flower, you go now go they happy, go they kiss you, go they happy. Woman when don't reach 80 something years, woman wey don reach 30 years, woman wey don reach 50 years, and you now na just 18 to 19, 22 years, you dey find that woman because you dey find life. If you can't see life for them now, your own don better. You see how na most of una take dey useless. Now they disgrace us for this country. This country when we suffer come so therefore not to hear us now make them they disgrace us. You go dey fear for this one, you go dey fear for that one, you go dey fear for this one, you go dey fear for that one, you go dey fear for this one, you go dey fear for that one. You know they go up, you know they go down, you know they go back, you know they go front. I want go Germany. You want go sit down, you go sit down for there, stay one place. No, you go dey stay one place. You go dey pursue your partner. They go say they don't need you. You go still stay there. Why? How they? this hand not meant to hustle, leg dey, this leg not meant to work. I get strength, this strength is not meant to work. You just dey one place as they cage you. Who the cage don't go pass you? Why you no want just change the country, come out for there, quickly go find your life? If you find your life, you go still see your life. You say no. You go just park. Then I go enter Germany. No, na Germany now. Na Germany for come dey happen now. Eh? Na Germany now for come dey happen. You go run. You don't run go Germany. You understand? You go park. Old woman. You go dey stay with old woman. Which feeling you can't get with that old woman? Which feeling you can't get with that old woman? When you take dey sleep with old woman, oyibo when you don gog, they no get second hand value. Now you go just go say yes. You want settle down with oyibo when you don gog. You no get value. You no fine. You will be young fresh guy. When you go quick change country, come the nearest country, start your life. Your life go as you go start your life in a very good way. You know one here. You know one come. You want stay there because you dey happy. You understand? Because you dey happy. You understand? Akere, come greet. Akere, come my side. You understand? Come enter bosses. Come my side. Akere, late. You understand? You go just come. Just say you want go Germany. You want go sit down for there. You want just go sit down for there. You understand? Now life today, so not be life today. People when die, go past most people when they this life. You understand? How you go come up for life? Say you want go Germany, go sit down for there. You know go they make offer. You see where old woman dey. You see any oyibo when don't go when I want to settle down. You see any woman when you see say you get belle when you go quick born when you and the husband not come. You see any now those call now they make. You when fresh, you go dey find person when don't feel born tired. And you now when they find that you never born. And you when they find out now you never even born. You when they find out you never born, but you they find person when they don't born. You they find fresh life. So guys, una they disgrace us. Now una come disgrace us. You now disgrace they reject you. Where they for reject you, come on for there. Go find your life. Now una come disgrace person pass for this country. Una they find women when you don't born tired. Una they find people when you and the husband don't gather come. So that if they don't born finish, you will take over. You they find old woman when they don't reject when you want to settle down. Now life today so. If people they talk, you go sit they talk. If people they make up, you see they make up. If you want to call your people, you tell them say where you are, there Europe. Now Europe you there you they find old woman. When your papa no go even green date you small pikin when they newly born you will the date and you will say you want marry her. When your papa will see say okay this woman too big person too old person you no go both marry her but you go say you go marry her. You go say you go choose and settle down. You go say you want use am date because you they find document. Because of document most of them don't know wetin they do again. Paper if you go come where you want come you get where you go come where you go fit dey eat a day fit dey survive your life where you go fit make work you go get your own paper. You say no you sit down for there parakate you dey find free thing you dey find free life you no wan work you dey fat for one place you dey rub the best cream you dey rub the best you dey wear the best clothes because your hand dey no dey work. If the woman dey don give am the children money na dem come share for you take this part. Now life today so if people they talk you will still they talk. Now even the disgrace person. Now not even need to I don't know where una for come. Now need to even watch una come out for most Nigeria people because now they disgrace people. Go sit down for country when they for no accept when they for no need you. You they jump up and down, they run up and down. They find free life. You know one hustle. Now so life be. The person they talk you reach person when you want to talk. When you really reach person when they talk. You know carry your face, carry your shame, go one side. No, you get people everywhere. You don't want to live best life. You don't want to live good life. You don't need life of begging. Life of them go they use on head. Now they find old women up and down. Now come they hustle old women. They find them up and down. Where you dey? Old women will come see the shakara at pity. Old women will come the shakara for them. They say I don't want to settle that. I don't want to use it because you don't turn your life to lifeless. No life again. Now wetin I wan tell you if una like more na quarrel una like more na not revise go change una life. Now hear me.